Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an aesthetic calendar lock screen on EPIK Photo Editor. So here for you to want to make an aesthetic calendar lock screen for your phone, so I'll go to EPIK apps and then go to templates and find the wallpaper category. And in here you can see there are so many templates like calendar looks that you can choose. For example, you want to use this one, moment of October, just click on use, and after that you need to choose a photo that you want to use in the lock screen. For example, I want to use this photo, and after that just wait until the templates apply to your photo. Okay, so it's now require you to crop the photo and then click on next, and after that just wait again, and here is the result. So you can choose the other template also, like for example this one's right here. I want to try the other one, and it requires again to crop your photo. Click on next, and now this is the result. But if you're like the previous one, you can always browse the other templates that you want. But if you're satisfied, just click on save again, save, and then set the photo as your lock screen. Okay guys, so I hope this video will help you. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.